Oh my word! You guys made it. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Oh My Word with Andrew Manyika. And today's word of the day is gratitude, spelled Gratitude. That is gratitude. This bad boy right here defines it as the feeling of being grateful and wanting to express thanks. Now, the definition of grateful speaks to feeling thankful for somebody having done something kind for you or somebody having done what you asked. And I am feeling immense gratitude, and I'm here to express that gratitude to all of you who have tuned into my show, Andrew Manyika Live, which we did for Valentine's in the week that was. I'm just grateful to everybody who promised to and who actually did make the time to watch the show and to be in the comments and subscribe to the channel. And that is my expression of my gratitude to you. And that's how you do it in context. I will see you next time on Oh My Word.